Before you install your seat rear facing, you'll need to get it ready by putting on the rear facing base and the anti-rebound bar. To prepare for that, we're going to loosen the harness. Reach your finger right into the hole here, lift up on the lever, and while you're holding it up, just pull forward on the harness, just like that. Unbuckle your harness, move it to the side, and then we're going to take the seat pad off. To take the seat pad off, there are tabs right at the bottom of the seat pad. You can see them right here, and we're just going to lift it right off and pull the crotch buckle through. While you have it here, pull your small black handle, and we're going to shift it so that it's in the recline position. We're also going to remove our lower connectors and just push the red button and just put them into the center of the seat. Now that you have that set up, we're going to rotate the seat right onto its back. This is your rear facing base. You want to just line up the tabs with the holes in the bottom, and then just slide it up and it'll lock into place. Once you have the base on, then we're going to put the anti-rebound bar on. The anti-rebound bar has tabs right up here, and these tabs have to line up and they'll get squished down as you push the anti-rebound bar up into these holes. It takes a little bit of oomph to get it up, so don't be afraid to use a good solid tug if you need to, and then just kind of walk it up. You'll see that the anti-rebound bar will go up as far as it can. Attached to the anti-rebound bar is a little baggie, and it has 2 sets of locking pins like this. You're going to take the pin, and you're going to do this on each side. Just going to slide it right in, straight through. And sometimes you may need to wiggle that anti-rebound bar just a little bit in order to line up the holes. And then take your locking pin and just finish sliding it through right like that. And that's going to hold the pin in place. And then just repeat it on the other side. And you're now ready to take the seat out to your car and install it.